Sagittarius, this is your channel messages for the 28th of May. Sagittarius, your channel message is Virgo, the 10 of Wands, sleep. So Sagittarius, you're the angel, okay? And usually angels are the ones who come visit you in your sleep, right? But I'm getting somebody needs to put you in a deeper sleep. Perhaps you are awakening to your angelic abilities. Maybe you're seeing that you're a healer. Maybe you're seeing that you're sent here to change the world. I'm getting a Virgo is having a hard time putting you in check. Okay? 10 of Wands is stress. Sleep is either you're having stress because you can't sleep, or somebody needs to stress you the fuck out so that they can put you under sleep deprivation. And we have Virgo because sleep deprivation is usually what causes a deterioration of health. That's why when you go to the doctor for whatever reason, they give you a leave of absence from your job. You notice? Anytime you're very, very sick, the doctor tells you to stay home and get some rest. Rest is necessary. So I'm getting a Virgo. Either they want to stress you out so that your sleep patterns are affected. Somebody wants, again, something about sleep deprivation. Or I'm getting, yeah, a Virgo needs you to go back to sleep. Be normal. Don't be an angel. Don't feel like you can come here and change the world. Get back in line. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Sagittarius. I'm getting a Virgo is stressed the fuck out. Or maybe a Sagittarius is. Let's go. First card out. Yeah. It is the 9 of Swords. That's insomnia. You can't sleep. I'm getting you cannot sleep. I'm getting you wake up at random hours. Perhaps somebody's doing spell work on you. Especially if you're waking up weird hours. Now, I would tell you if you can't sleep, exercise in your house. Do some jumping jacks. Try to do some push-ups. Run in your room. Try to tire out yourself. If you notice you can't sleep, perhaps that's the time you need to take up a routine of going to the gym, jogging, doing something. You need to tire out your body before bed. Maybe you're on the maybe it's your phone. Maybe you scroll mindlessly through social media. Yeah, certain even TikTok. But I have to stop. I not use TikTok. TikTok will suck your energy. You ever open a TikTok and you scroll when you're done, you're upset? You're upset because of the content what you say. You feel targeted. Because usually the things that you like on TikTok will recommend things to you. Maybe a man is cheating on you and TikTok is bringing up videos about cheating. It hurt you the wrong way. I'm getting it could be the mindless scrolling through social media, so I'm getting your screen time. You need to take a step away from your phone. Delete the app. Even X, when I go up on X certain time, you have to come off of X, you have to just close the app because it will suck your energy. And it will give you videos or recommendation of things that don't have nothing to do with you, but you have an emotional response to it. It could be your phone, maybe no phones in bed. You need to turn your phone off. You keep a scroll to your phone and then you can't sleep. Because your mind keep a wander. I'm getting insomnia, sleep deprivation. That's what will kill you. That's what will make you sick. Worse if you have work the next day. We are hi Sagittarius, the angel. Hi, yeah. Maybe you want to pray. Okay, you can pray. You can pray. Before you go to bed, just pray, chant, repeat a prayer. Just keep repeating a prayer. Maybe you want to read your Bible before bed. Come off of the phone and read your Bible before bed. The Bible too boring. You need something more stimulating. That's why you can't sleep. Hi Sagittarius, it's you. Me getting that's where me no know. You have liquor, you have alcohol in your house, take a shot. Take a shot before you go to bed. Do something to help you sleep. Take melatonin. I wouldn't tell you to go to the doctor. Make the doctor write you sleeping tablets for sleep. Because there's obviously something in your brain, something in your head that it won't allow you to relax. Maybe you find out that you can sleep at other people's houses, but when you're at your house, you can't sleep. Maybe you notice you feel sleepy and drowsy in the days, but in the nights you can't sleep. You need to take up a new routine or come off of the fucking phone. That's your problem. We have the Two of Cups. Okay, maybe do you need a bed partner? What's happening? You need to cuddle. Maybe you find yourself more relaxed. You dream better. You're more in a relaxed state when you're sleeping beside somebody. Maybe you can't sleep because of a relationship. I'm getting something about a Sagittarius. Somebody's dreaming of you every night. Every time you close your eyes, they're dreaming. Maybe somebody dreaming about you. Maybe every time them dream, maybe every time them dream, you're leaving them in the dream. When them have anxiety. Because somebody did tell me some I traumatized them one time because I did leave them. And they say every time them go sleep, them see me leaving. I pack up my bag and leave every time them at sleep. Them see me back at their house, packing up my shit and leaving and I not come back. Or them say them a dream that them come home and don't. Them keep a dream, what me do? I'm say, why you never call me? Because their ego is too fucking big. That's why. That's why them suffer. You suffered in silence because of your ego. Anyways, yeah, we're getting something about this person bring a peace. I always say that if you can't fall asleep around them, don't trust them. Especially if you date. Suppose you date a guy. You're getting every time you're over the guy's house, you just fall asleep in bed. Every time you're with this guy, you just feel so comforty and you just want to sleep. That's a good sign. Or he's probably using fucking magic on you. We have the Three of Pentacles. You come and you fall asleep at work. And your job or your boss will say you don't sleep in the nights and you'll be like, yeah, I'm asleep, but we don't get rest. We're getting something about maybe you're used to somebody sleeping beside you. Maybe you broke up with somebody and them left and now the bed empty. I'm getting you feel paranoid. That's memory foam. Your mattress is memory foam. It has memories of when your girlfriend or boyfriend used to foam beside you. I'm getting they're not there anymore. The Five of, yeah, somebody not there anymore. I'm getting you can't sleep. Somebody left. Five of Pentacles is abandonment. Somebody left. I don't know if you used to sleep with your dog. Okay, you used to sleep with your dog. Maybe your dog dead. Okay, maybe you're the type of person to cuddle with your dog. You make your dog sleep in the bed with you. How much time you wash your sheets? Anyways, yeah, maybe you used to sleep with your dog. You always cuddle your dog and go sleep. I'm getting your dog passed away. You can't sleep. You probably need to get a human. Just saying. Anyways. The Nine of Swords is clarified by the Two of Wands. Okay. So again, maybe you used to live with somebody. Maybe the house feels traumatic, so you're going to relocate. Are you moving? Maybe you want to move. I'm getting you saying the house don't feel at home. It feels, maybe you need somebody to cleanse your home. Was there a time you used to fall asleep and then you stop? Maybe you start having problems when somebody visits your house. Or me getting somebody probably doing witchcraft in the night. That's why you can't sleep. They might try to affect your sleep patterns. Because me getting you saying you want to move. You want to move. You're going to move because of the sleep. You can't sleep. The Temperance is clarified by the Ace of Wands. I'm not sure if you're smoking before bed, which it can help induce drowsiness, but sometimes you can't keep track of your dreams. If you're a person who likes to track your dreams, when you smoke before bed, your dreams, or I don't know how you are, your lungs, maybe you smoke before bed, and is it, what you call, asphyxia? I don't know if you smoke before bed, you wake up in the night gasping for air. The Two of Cups is clarified by the Five of, yeah. I'm literally getting the reason why I can't sleep. I'm getting something about some arguments you and this person used to have. A lot of arguments. I'm getting every time you close your eyes, every time you dream, you see you and this person fighting again and then packing them back again and then leaving again. I'm getting someone is occupying your dream space. You can't sleep. I'm getting you can't even focus on work properly because you sleep deprived. The Three of Pentacles is clarified by the Ten of Pentacles. And the Five of Pentacles is clarified by... Okay, so I'm getting something about you wanted love or you wanted money. I'm getting you had the love first. The love was comforting you. You were sleeping. Everything was great, but you chose the money. Now you have all this money, you can't sleep. You need to take the money and buy melatonin or take the money and buy something. Because you can't sleep, yeah. You can't sleep. Maybe you feel guilty because you took money over love. Yeah, you can't cuddle the money, can you? Yeah, those coins, those tunings and loonings feel very, very hard on your fucking... full up your pillow, tunings and hug. It's not the same. And let me tell you something. It don't make sense. Yeah, risk your health. Yeah, risk your sleep for go make money. Because the moment sleep deprivation lick it the right way and you end up in the hospital, all that money going to go to medical bills. It does not make sense. I'm not saying you have to work hard, but you cannot sacrifice your sleep for work. And when you're sick, the money where you just save will go to medical bills. You're going to be back at square one. You're going to be broke and sick. And the Five of Pentacles is clarified by the Hangman. Maybe you're the type of person you cannot sleep in a bed alone. Maybe you can. Worse, if you're, I don't know if you grew up, maybe you grew up poor, where you and your family used to sleep on one bed. Maybe you grew up, I don't know how old you are. You could have been a big ass adult. Me getting you still did used to sleeping with your mother on the same bed. Maybe you did grow up poor. Maybe you only could afford one bed. And your mother used to sleep on the bed. Me getting you're used to sleeping with either an animal or you're used to sleeping with a human. The human is not there and I don't think the animal is there either. Are you homeless? Maybe you're homeless and you have one dog. Like you're homeless on the street and you have one dog. Maybe you know a homeless shelter with a dog. Did they take the dog from you? They probably think if you can't take care of yourself, you can't take care of an animal either. And you might be like, no, it's my animal. They're here for companionship. Yeah, animal rights don't want to hear that. They're going to be like, you can't take care of yourself. Why do you think you could take care of a dog? Why do you think you can't take care of a cat? You can't even feed yourself. You're homeless. Because the Five of Pentacles is outside a church. You need to worry about yourself, your shelter, and your food. Maybe you're homeless outside and beg people money for you and the dog to eat. Them not gonna see it fit. That's like you was homeless with a child. If you did homeless outside on the street with a child, then when I take away the child from you, you can't feed yourself. You can't focus on a child. It's the same thing for your animal. You're homeless on the street. And I know that your dog offers you companionship, but let me tell you something. The dogs have rights now. They rather the man be homeless than the animal. You ever see stray dogs in Canada? I don't. I see stray humans. I see humans on the street and all of these shit. I don't see stray animals. Maybe you can't sleep because of that. You're homeless. Or maybe you had to give up your animal because you couldn't make ends meet. Maybe you feel like it's unfair. Yeah, I know it's unfair. And it no matter if the animal is starved, the animal will stay by you, but you can't afford yourself. They're not going to say you can't afford the animal either. It would have been the same thing if you had a kid. They're going to take the kid from you. We have shark. We have the number 8. Yeah, have it 8. Has the dog 8? Or yeah, the dog I eat the same thing. Although I know some homeless people, them will buy the dog food before them buy themselves food. Them will go Tim Hortons, go buy one coffee and the dog get dog food. You still can't care for yourself. Them going to say that is not supposed to be a focus. Them going to say your focus is supposed to be caring for you. I'm sorry. We have Pluto. Worse if a winter. We have Mercury. We have Illuminati. And we have the soul was sold. I know that you say, you know, dogs is a man's best friend. The dog offer you comfort. Well, maybe you need to put your hope, your faith in an angel. Because it's like you're saying, it doesn't matter if I'm homeless or I can't make ends meet. At least I have my dog. Maybe it's time for you to put more faith in an angel about the situation. As long as you have an animal or a human caring for, your immediate need is to care for this animal or human. You don't care. I see people join OnlyFans to feed them animals. And so the money I make on OnlyFans, I'm feeding my animal with it because I can't make ends meet. I see people do weird things because them don't want to give up them animal. Perhaps you need to give it up and focus your energy and focus your hope on something a bit more spiritual. I don't know if you can ever get back the pet. Because I don't know if they're going to take the pet from you and put the pet down. Or they're going to take the pet from you and relocate the pet. I don't think shelters hold on your pet until you're back on your feet. But you treat the dog like a baby. You treat the dog like a human. So let's just say that you were homeless with a human. Child Protective Service would have take it. They're serious here. They have rights and stuff. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.